Okay, so I let this thing cycle. What we're doing is programming 2 keys. You can see that I'm the Ford F150 automatically search special functions, and it brings up this screen here. I went ahead and said erase and program ignition code. And again, this is the X431V Plus Auto Smart Diagnostic Tool. I've had this about 6 months or so. It comes with the 1-year subscription. You can see there that it says right here, top right, log in. I'm not logged in right now, but apparently you don't have to be. I got my code, my OBD. It's Bluetooth, so it's real nice. It looks like it says DB SCAR 5. I put a new ignition switch in there. Got 2 keys. It tells you must have 2 keys. So I already ran it, and you do have to wait for 10 seconds for it to, 10 minutes. When you do this initially, it says erase all stored key codes and requires 2 keys. I have them to be programmed before the ignition will or the engine will operate. Warning: you will need 2 keys to start the vehicle. Do you want to? Yes. That almost sounded like a gunshot. Hopefully that's something that just fell. All known keys have been erased. You must now program at least 2 keys. It says the engine will not start until you complete the following. Carry out all the following steps. Program ignition keys. Turn the ignition key to position 0. I have to disconnect the keys here. And it says turn key 1 to off, and then turn it back on for 3 seconds, turn it back off, put in the second key for at least 3 seconds, and it says that's it, your keys are programmed. So I press OK, and it's time to turn it off. I'm gonna turn this thing off. You can see the lights are all on. Pull my key out. It's off. Pull this out. Let's do this. It says 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Turn it off. Pull it out. Get that second key in there. 1, 2, 3. Turn it off. Let's get the first one and then let's see if it works. Before the theft light was coming on, it was flashing hysterically. Hey, it worked, guys. Look at that. Heck yeah. This thing says the connection was lost, but it is lost because it made me take out the box. I don't know where the box is. There it is, down here. So that's great. This F-150's been sitting here for about 6 weeks or so. I haven't had a chance to do anything. I finally bought the ignition switch, and it worked out well. So I got off it to eBay. You see, it was about 25 bucks for the ignition. This BR X431V Plus was about $1,000. But I buy and sell cars, and so you can see I got this little truck. I got that big old 650. I got another F3500. I've got another 3500 there with the bucket. I got this old Windstar. Can't see it, but I got a 2008 bucket truck back there too. So there's 5 bucket trucks here. And I got this F150. I got this step van that's there. I've got a Ford Taurus. Can't see it's a Subaru Outback. I got another 3500 back there. That one's diesel. It's a dump bed. I don't even know what else I have over there. I have Ford Taurus, an F250, and an F350 out there. But anyways, that's it, guys. The key worked.